Welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to find winning products. Today I will show you how to validate a product before investing your money. So before investing your money, you must check the following points. For example, right now I search Sync Organizer. This is a winning product nowadays and it's a new product as well. So first of all, I must check the reviews of the product, the rating of the product, right? If the rating of the product is, for example, for about 1,000 rating, then I cannot compete with the seller. But if the rating is less, like this one, ET rating, 122 rating, so I can compete with these sellers. For example, I want to compete with this seller. Now I enter to the main page of this one. Look, in the previous month, this seller sell 400 pigs. Now let's see that what else we must check before deciding to invest money in the product. After checking the reviews and rating, we have to read all the comments which customers has given to this product. If there is a negative point in the comments, here are the comments of the customers, we have to read them one by one. If there is a negative point in this product, then we have to remove that from the product which we want to launch on the Amazon. So these are the most important points if we want to sell a product in Amazon and compete with our competitors. For more videos, please follow and subscribe the channel.